Good morning, my dear students. Our lesson today is lesson 13.1, which is order of operations. First, if we have this example, 2 plus 3 times 2. Some students will make 2 plus 3 first. 2 plus 3, 5. After that, multiply by 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. And the same example here, someone is going to make 3 multiplied by 2 first. 3 multiplied by 2, 6, plus 2 equals 8. Here we have two different answers. The first one, 10. Second one is 8 for the same example. How can we have the same example in math and we will get two different answers? So one of these two answers is wrong. Let's check the order of operation to know which example is wrong. The order of operations, first you have to make parentheses. Parentheses means bracket. First you have to finish the parentheses, the bracket first. After that, exponent, power. Exponent is power. After exponent, divide. After divide, multiply. After multiply, addition, plus. After addition, subtraction, minus. Again, parentheses, which letter is P. The first letter is B. Exponent, the first letter is E. Divide, the first letter is D. Multiply, the first letter is M. Addition, the first letter is A. Subtraction, the first letter is S. So we have this word bed math. Bed math. P for parentheses, bracket. E for exponent, power. D for divide. M for multiply. A for addition. S for subtraction. So first the bracket, after that the power, after the power divide, after divide multiply, after multiply addition, after addition subtraction. Let's check here. Here the student who get 8 is right, so this is wrong. Why? Because he started with the multiplication, because here we have plus and times. Times is stronger than plus. Here times come first, multiply come first before addition, so you have to multiply first. Multiply 3 multiply 2, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, so this example is right. Let's see another example. Name the operations you should do first. Name the operation you should do first. As I told you before, let's remember together. Parentheses, after parentheses, exponent, after exponent, divide or multiply. After divide or multiply, addition or subtraction. Here, do you have any brackets? No. So move to the next step. The power, do you have here any power? No. Move to the next step. Divide or multiply. Here we have divide. So divide is first. Divide 27 by 3. Here, do you have any brackets? No. Move to the next step. The next step after the bracket, power. Do you have any power? No. After power, divide or multiply. Here we have multiply and divide. Which operation came first? Multiply. So you are going to make multiply first before the divide, because it came first. So multiply 5 by 2. The next one, do you have here any brackets? Yes, we have a bracket here. so you have to finish it first. So we are going to make 4.5 plus 3.75 first before anything. Here, do you have brackets? Yes, we have first bracket and second bracket. You are going to finish the first bracket first. So it will be 14 minus 7 first before this. Here, which operation you should do first? We have divide and multiply. Divide came first, so you have to finish the divide. So 4 divided by 2. Now let's move to the exercise. How we can find the value? By using order of operations. Use the order of operations to find the value. Let's remember first, bit mass. Bit mass. B bracket, E exponent, D divide or multiply, they are the same, A addition, S subtraction. Let's search about the brackets. Do you have brackets here? No, so skip this step. After bracket, power. Do you have any power here? No, skip also this bracket. This step. We have now divide or multiply. Let's search. Plus, no. Multiply. You have to multiply first. So keep the 3 plus 7 by 6 is 42. Drop the divide 3. Again, divide or multiply. We are here. Plus and divide, which is stronger? Divide. So you have to make divide before the addition. Keep the 3 plus 42 divided by 3. The answer is 14. Now 3 plus 14 is 17. Again, here. 64 divided by 8 times half. Step number 1, search about the brackets. Do you have any brackets here? No. So no problem. Move to the next step. The next step is power. Do you have any powers here? No. Move to the next step. After power, divide or multiply. Divide or multiply. Divide or multiply. You have to finish the operation, which is come first. Here we have divide and multiply, but divide came first. The divide came first, so you have to finish it. Finish 64 divided by 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Keep multiply by half. Now 8 times half, it will be 4. Let's move to another exercise. Here, number 3. 2 times 9 plus bracket 2 times 14. The steps are bed mass. Let's remember it together. Bed mass. First, search about the brackets. Do you have bracket? Yes. So you have to finish the bracket first. Keep 2 times 9 plus. Keep 2 times 9 plus. 2 times 14 is 28. Now search after the bracket power. Do you have power here? No. After power, divide or multiply. We have multiply and plus. Multiply is stronger, so you have to finish the multiply first. 2 times 9, 18 plus 28. Now 18 plus 28, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Another exercise. First, search about the bracket. Yes, I have a bracket. Finish it first. Whatever what is inside the bracket, you have to finish it first. 19 minus 5 is 14. Keep the times 3 plus 4. After the bracket, power. Do you have any powers here? No. After the power, divide or multiply. They are the same. Here we have multiply. So you have to finish it first. 3 by 4 is 12. 2 can carry up 1. 3 by 1, 3, and I have 1, 4. Plus 4. 42 plus 4 is 46. Again, here search about the brackets. Do you have any brackets here? No. After the bracket, power. Do you have any powers here? No. After the power, divide or multiply. Do you have divide or multiply here? No. After divide or multiply, plus or minus. Addition or subtraction. We have minus and plus. Which operation came first? Yes, minus. So you have to make minus first before the addition. 15.3 minus 12. It will be 15 minus 12 is 3.3 plus 2.5. Now make plus. 3 plus 5, 8.3 plus 2 is 5. Again, number 6. Here, 36 minus 5 plus 16 minus 11. First, search about bracket. Yes, I have bracket. Finish it first. 16 minus 11 is 5. And keep the rest operations. After brackets, search about powers. Do you have powers here? No. After powers, divide or multiply. Do you have divide or multiply here? No. After divide or multiply, plus or minus. Yes, I have minus and plus. But which came first? Minus, so you have to finish it first. 36 minus 5 is 31. Plus 5, the final answer is 36. Here, another example. Insert parentheses to make each statement true. We need to insert a bracket. In this example, to make the exercise true, we need to insert bracket. How we insert a bracket? Let's try here, the first here. We are going to put bracket between 17 and 8. And check your answers. If it is 14, no problem. 17 minus 18, the answer is 9. 17 minus 18, the answer is 9. 9 minus 5, 4. So I need 14, not 4. So try this. Put the bracket between 8 and 5 to include 8 and 5 and check. Finish the bracket first. 8 minus 5, 4. 17, 8 minus 5, sorry, 3. 17 minus 3 is 14, yes. So we are going to put the bracket to include 8 and 5. Again, I need the answer will be 57. Let's try the bracket here, no problem. 30 and 4. We are going to put the bracket to include 30 and 4, like that. 30 minus 4 is 26. 26 times 2, 26 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 and carry up 1. 2 by 2, 4, and I have 1, 5. 52. 52 plus 5, 57. So the answer is right when you put the bracket to include 30 and 4. 30 minus 4 is 26 times 2 plus 5. 26 times 2 is 52 plus 5 is 57. The next one, here we have 10 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 1. I need the answer to be 3. Let's try to put the bracket here to include 10 and 2 and check. No problem. 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Yes, it's right. So you have to put the bracket to include 10 and 2. So again, before I finish the lesson, you have to remember the order of operations. P, E, D, M, A, S, BEDMAS. B for the bracket, E for exponent, D divide, M multiply, A addition, S subtraction. Please study the rule well before you start your homework. Don't forget your online assignment. Thanks. Have a nice day.